Hello, and welcome to a very special episode of Zero to Awesome. This is our first Thanksgiving episode, and we're so very excited about how awesome and classy it will be.
Today, we'll be making a traditional Thanksgiving turducken, but with an awesome Texas twist. Everything's bigger in Texas, but it also tastes better.
First, let's take some time to explore the history of turducken. It's a little known fact that when Columbus sailed the ocean blue in 1492, that each of his ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Ana, each carried a different type of fowl: turkeys, chickens, and ducks. When the Pilgrims reached the New World and decided to hold the first Thanksgiving, they combined the three birds into one delicious superbird, the turducken.
The Indians had never tasted such a delicious dish, and it's rumored that for a brief time, the turducken was the official currency of North America? Must be true. Later, when the descendants of the Pilgrims, rednecks, invented the deep fryer, it was discovered that the turducken could be fried, thus enhancing its flavor tenfold. Today, we celebrate the accomplishments of our forefathers and their delicious endeavors, and we will usher in a new era of flavor.
We will celebrate this Thanksgiving with a jalapeno popper wrapped in a chicken fried steak, wrapped in a chicken, wrapped in a duck, wrapped in a turkey.
And, if you haven't thrown up yet, each layer will be lovingly and handcrafted, wrapped in bacon, and then dunked in a few gallons of Mama Lou's finest for some deep frying. Unfortunately, we're only able to find 12 pounds of bacon, so it's going to be a little close if we have enough.
And no, we've been so preoccupied with whether or not we could, we haven't stopped to ask if we should.
Step number 1 is deboning all of these fine fowl, and to do that, you need a sharp knife.
Isn't yours a little small?
It's not how you...
Is that not how that works?
Yeah,
we'll discuss that.
Okay. Now, most people think you need a very fancy knife sharpener to sharpen your kitchen utensils, but you really don't. You can use the everyday tools you already have in your garage to accomplish the same task.
Exactly. So today, we're going to use an angle grinder with a sanding disc to sharpen our knife. So when you're sharpening your knife, you're going to want to put it in a vise, but you don't want to just put it right in there because then you're going to mess up the handle on your nice kitchen knife. So what you want to do is take a towel, wrap the knife handle in it, and then go ahead and clamp it down. That way, you can go ahead and sharpen your knife, however you want. But actually, no, that's really, it's a terrible idea. What you're going to do is you're going to mess up your knife. So what you want to do is you want to use a reciprocating saw to debone your turkey, your chicken, and your duck. That's only if you want to debone your hand too, because this is also a very bad idea and you should listen to nothing we're saying at all. Because what you actually want to do is use a knife sharpener and sharpen your knife. That's what normal people do.
The only thing that I like more than floppy ears is floppy fowl, and our birds have been fully deboned. Now, because safety is the most important thing here at Zero to Awesome, we need to build some sort of device to safely lower our bird into the bubbling oil, which will cook it to a very safe and edible temperature.
So in order to not get too close to the fryer, we're going to take the winch on the Forerunner up to this pulley down to the fryer, and that'll make it go up and down. But in order to do that, we need some sort of contraption to hold a big old pulley. So that's what we're gonna build next.
Let's see. Drinks? No. Salads? Ugh, no. Eggs, souffles. There's gotta be. I remember when I was a little kid. Turducken. Let's do it.
We're gonna build a thing. We're gonna build a thing. We're gonna build a thing and do things with the thing. Cut my hand open.
That's a bleeder.
So how much room do we have? Like lift that bucket up out of there?
Oh, the turkey goes in the bucket, doesn't it?
Yeah,
So this will be attached.
Oh no, yeah, that's plenty of room. That's totally safe. I mean, we don't have to get anywhere near that thing.
This is the way Christopher Columbus intended.
Yeah, what a wise man. Okay. How many pounds does a jalapeno popper weigh?
0.2.
0.02. But we're cooking like what? How many? Plus how many bacon cheese bombs? What did you call them?
Double bacon cheesy bombs.
Double bacon cheesy bombs. This total approximate weight of double bacon cheesy bombs and jalapeno poppers.
1.2 pounds.
1.2 times 3.5 minutes per pound. 4.2 minutes. Yeah, then we're gonna have a chicken fried steak. I don't think we're gonna use a full pound of beef unless we do. Are we going for total weight or are we going for weight of new meat?
I don't know, do we do original cook time, less new meat, total new meat time? Are we cooking to the core?
This is complicated.
Wait, hang on. So you're telling me that every single step
Let's just
gets
pretend-
fried, and then you take it out and you wrap it in something else and it gets fried?
Well, let's wrap in more stuff. You stuff it in something else, and then you cook longer.
Oh my god.
Like, say this corn were one of the meats.
Wrap
we
in
would
bacon.
cook the corn, wrap it in bacon, insert it
No.
into this cornucopia.
We cook the corn wrapped in bacon and then insert it
Yeah.
into the cornucopia, wrap the cornucopia in bacon, and then cook that.
Oh my god.
I'll be honest, Aaron.
Can you make this out?
Everyone's getting food poisoning tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna take your very scientific 2 pounds. 2 pounds times 3.5 minutes. Oh crap. Oh crap. 7 minutes. I could do that in my head, but I don't want to.
Yeah.
Hold on, a turkey there.
I'm getting a video of a dog humping a pillow.
Well, let's see it.
Hold on, something more important is coming.
I feel like we have a good 2 handfuls of duck. My question is, we take the jalapeno popper, do we wrap the duck around it and then cook it?
No, you wrap the chicken fried steak around the jalapeno
No,
popper.
oh god.
And then you wrap bacon around that, and then you cook it.
Okay, so that's cooked. So that's phase 1. So
No, that's phase 2.
Okay.
Jalapeno popper by itself, phase
Okay.
1.
Phase 1. Jalapeno
Also-
popper.
Cheesy bacon bombs.
We need a whiteboard. Oh,
too.
there's still bones in the turkey.
Yeah.
It's a bony bird.
49.6 minutes. Plus lingering time in between stages. Bacon lattices, we're gonna have to add another 49.6 minutes.
Oh, I love a good saran wrap. Saran is one of my favorite wraps. So all we have left to do is make some bacon weaves. Let's make some bacon weaves.
So I didn't account for bacon in this cooking time.
Hold on. I've got another video of a dog humping things. God, this is a lot of bacon. Did they give you weird looks at the grocery store?
No, it's prepackaged. You just pick it up and you run away.
But they're...
Yeah, that might be better. Remember how I got cut? Time to do what probably shouldn't be done. We're getting suited up here. We have our safety gear, gloves, jacket, helmets.
Safety is very important.
Yeah, but your jacket's a little too nice for this. You want to wear that?
I didn't bring my welding jacket.
Oh no.
I'm gonna get it. Here we go.
Oh,
Okay.
there we go. Ready
Keep
to
it
rock
clean.
and roll. They smell so great already.
So, jalapeno, 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 cheese.
What do you call it? Double bacon cheese bomb?
Double bacon cheesy bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just put in one jalapeno popper to test it out, and we confirmed that they do in fact sink. Jalapeno poppers do not float.
They do not float.
They're sinkers. Ooh, that's nice.
Do you think that'll do for the centerpiece of the turducken?
I think so. Everyone else is hard at work preparing, you know, Thanksgiving dishes, and we're just doing this. Very helping. So yeah, next step, the jalapeno popper inside the meat, coat it so it's a chicken fried steak, and then cook that thing.
More frying. Ooh, can't go wrong. Jalapeno popper, very warm, very delicious, has now been wrapped in the chicken fried steak and double battered. Into the fryer it goes.
So, minor emergency. We put the chicken fried steak in before we wrapped it in bacon, so we need to fix that. We're about to wrap it in bacon, put it back in, and we'll be good to go.
Crisis averted, bacon's been applied, going back in. Send her in!
So it's floating. We don't know if the bacon came off of the chicken fried steak or if it's making the whole thing float. We'll find out soon.
Those vegetables over there, we're gonna ignore those vegetables over there. We have a situation where the bacon weave came off the bacon, but we have this nice little bacon bowl. So I feel like we can reassemble it.
Let's do
make
it.
it better and stronger than it ever was before. I mean, this string's been cooked, it's not gonna make you sick.
Oh my god.
You think we're ready for the first fowl?
In goes the duck. It's the same remote, Dad. Hit menu.
Well, the final iteration.
Yes, this is either the end of the road or the beginning of something great.
It is the end of our lives, or the beginning of
Cholesterol.
cholesterol.
Yeah. See how it goes.
Sleep well, sweet bird. Sleep well.
Whoa!
Still classy.
So, she's just about ready.
Is it a she now?
Is it a she? I don't know.
Whatever.
Well,
It's probably actually multiple genders.
Peter's gonna love this. How many hours ago did this start?
More than 24, or about 24.
24?
About 24, yeah. This is the day in the making.
Including shopping time?
Oh no, this is been weeks. Oh yeah, it's
got a jalapeno popper center. Oh, but that's raw. What are we calling this?
Turducken of death?
Chicken fried turducken de jalapeno.
Chicken fried, say that one more time?
Chicken fried bacon turducken de jalapeno.
I like it.
If you enjoy what you've seen here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bear, go get help. Get help.